natural glowy look. Yeah, this is my makeup bag. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a quick video showing you how to get a natural glam using affordable makeup product. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do so now. Click the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon to be notified for future videos. The products that I will be using today, they can be purchased through my Instagram page, my Instagram business page, enhance_you. The products are affordable and they work really well. So I'm going to show you step by step how I get a natural glowy look. This is my makeup pouch. Of course it's small because it's a little bit of products to get a natural simple glam. So all of the items will be in this kit. No, I'm lying. Yeah, this is my makeup bag, but we ain't talking about her today, okay? Yeah. So I'm just gonna pretend that all the products are in this bag and I'm gonna take them out and show you step by step how to use them. I'll be starting with this moisturizer. I hope you can see it, but I'll be listing all the items in the description box below. This is a UK based moisturizer, Embryolisse. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. Yeah, but you don't have to use this, you know, you can use any moisturizer, well, preferably water-based moisturizer. I'm going to be using this NYX pore filler. I hope you're seeing it. Yep, it's focusing. That's NYX pore filler. I like this primer because it's affordable, as I said, and it just gives a nice silky matte finish to your skin. This here, down here, and down here where I usually get oily. By the way, I have, I guess, a combination skin. I don't really sweat that much, and I do tend to get a little oily in the days, but it's not really bad. So I would say I have a combination skin. I'll be using a NYX eyebrow pencil going from point A to B and then to C. If you'd like a tutorial on how to do your brows, you can let me know in the comments below. To conceal my brows, I will be going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn. We'll be using this flat concealer brush to apply. So it's pretty much the same step to conceal your brows, A to B, B to C. You go A to B and B to C. There. I'm going to also apply the concealer above my brows. And it's the same process, A to B, B to C. So after that, I just blend in all the concealer into my eyes area. Now I'm going to apply apply the foundation. Some persons are eye first and then face, while some are face first and then eyes. But today I will be doing my face first and then eye. Now for foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I love this foundation. It's so matte, it lasts all day. And sometimes I use the Fenty foundation, but it's really close to the Fenty. It's really nice, super matte and full coverage. I usually have two foundations because my complexion changes, but I mean, if you're just starting, you can use one shade. I use Mocha as well as Coconut. Sometimes I mix them, or as I said, you can use one if you wish. Mocha is darker and Coconut is lighter. Make sure you get the right shade. Well, if you're going to get it from me, you're going to get the right shade, but I'm just saying, if you're not getting from me, make sure you get the right shade. Make sure that your face matches your neck. So I'm going to be using Mocha on the outside and Coconut on the inside. So now that I've used Mocha on the outside, I'm going to go in with Coconut on the inside. So now that I've applied the foundation, I'm going to go in with my concealer-fawn. I like to go in now with a damp beauty blender to press the concealer in. But if you don't have a beauty blender, you can always use the same foundation brush. And I'm going to show you how it looks with the foundation brush. So that's beauty blender. And this is the foundation brush. Let me know which one you prefer. So that's beauty blender, and this is with the foundation brush. Now to set under the eyes, I'm using this RCMA loose powder, no color powder. I love it, as you can tell. But you can also use the Sacha Buttercup powder, and that does a good job as well. Shadow, I'll be using the Juvia's Masquerade palette, and I'll be using these two colors, this one here and this one here. As you can tell, I love this color and this color, but yeah, I'll be using this one here and this one here. Using this eyeshadow brush for the crease. concealer brush to apply that to my lid. Ew, it's so popping. Now you can see why I like this eyeshadow. It's so pigmented. You want to also use the same color from this palette and apply it right here. For my eyeliner, I'll be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner, and I love this liner. It dries fast and it's really bright and matte. So we're not doing a wing today because we want it to look natural. So there you have it, just a little baby wing. For the mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express Mascara. And if you don't want to wear lashes, this would be your last step, so you wouldn't apply the lashes. You can just apply this mascara and then you're good to go. So I went ahead and applied these lashes off camera, but like I said, you can skip this step and just use mascara. Now I'm going to go in with the Black Radiance Contour Palette. You see why I like this palette? It does everything. It does the trick, okay? I'm going to use this color here and just blend in everything. Highlight my face. I'm going to go in with this strobe light powder, and it's 50 watt to add some more gloss. I like a nice shiny lip. Then to set my face, I'm going to be using Skindinavia. I will list an item below that's a lot more affordable. So after I let the setting spray dry, this is pretty much the final look, light and natural. I didn't delete this video. I'm not sure what I was looking on. Looks like I saw a ghost, but yeah. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, like and comment.